video, I'm going to unbox the two 150 watt solar panels that I'm going to put on the roof of the camper van. By drilling a hole through the plastic foot into the aluminium frame. And then with my 8x1 self-tapping screws, fixed them in. The feet are on the solar panels. So now I just need a dry day to fit it to the camper. Step number one done. Whoop, whoop. Before taking the solar panels on top of the van, I gave it a really good clean with some hot soapy water. Just about to start installing the solar panels. At the feet of the solar panels just bridge these risers. So I'm going to cut a little notch off of there and the other end so that they sit flush, and then the Sikaflex has got a much better chance of holding it down. Let's do it. I'm going to take 10 mil off of each side, and that should hopefully then fit in between the roof ridges. So with my trusty Milwaukee multi-tool, I shaved off the plastic. Once I was happy, gave it a little sand down to get rid of any rough bits of plastic. You know what's coming, so be warned. Got a bit of a problem. So when I ordered these, they were going to fit from side to side, but because of the awning, I'm not going to be able to do that. So I've had to go lengthways, and it's really bloody tight. So it's going to have to go solar panel, air fan, solar panel, because I didn't want the air fan at the end, because that's where the shower's going to go. But right now I just wanted to lay it out, see if it will fit, and it just does. And then cut that bad boy out. Wish me luck. So even though I cleaned it earlier, I thought I'd just give it a quick once over with the Dyson. Give it a quick wipe with some baby wipes, make sure the surfaces are clean and dry. I marked out exactly where I wanted the solar panels to go. And then gave it a 3 centimetre blob of Sika, so it had a real good bed to sit down on. It's really important in this stage to occasionally just show the camera your bum. Once all the Sikaflex was down, I pressed down hard to make sure it had a good seal, and then placed anything heavy on top that I could find to make sure it's set tight. So now that the solar panels are on, I've just put some cardboard and some foam over it so they don't start to absorb any sunlight. And I'm now just connecting up the terminals, and I'm going to drill a hole through the van. Right, I'm going to zip tie those together. All right, that's where it's going to go. So I'm going to drill my hole, put the cables through, and then Sikaflex that down. Started off with a really fine drill bit, and then changed to a bigger drill bit, just a bit bigger than the actual size of the cables. So I've drilled the holes, and I'm now going to use a little bit of flex. That's just going to stop the wires from rubbing across the new hole.
lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. And my feet have come too far for you to tie 'em to the ground. Can't stop me now.
I put a little blob of Sikaflex just through the holes. Give it a decent blob all the way round and stick it down. The holes are drilled. I'm going to put a bit more silicone around those. The little rubber grommet things didn't work really well, but I've got it looped all the way through down into the solar panel controller. So as I showed in the video before, you've got the solar panel wires coming down. Just run it through that paneling there, and I've run it into the first two terminals, and the second two terminals I've wired in to the battery, and as you can see, we got power. Now it's a bit of an overcast day, so I'm looking forward to finding out what it's going to put out on a sunny day. So watch this space.